We're about to go check out a big old bronze Roadrunner on the campus of College of DuPage.
I think the Roadrunner is their symbol for their team.
Their mascot?
Their mascot. Beep, beep.
Beep, beep.
Beep, beep. Boy, is this quiet. Fuck.
It's because the window's open.
What's a window got to do with the sound of the thing?
Because you're hard of hearing. So, this is a big old Roadrunner here at the campus of the College of DuPage. And Magoo
Beep, beep.
is on his way right now.
Beep, beep.
Stepping on up, stepping on out. It was a gift of the class of 2013. I don't know. Seems like such a significant gesture. Just chilling with speak right here. Beep beep. Beep beep. There's Magoo. Doing Magoo.
Chicken boy.
It's a Roadrunner.
Well, what's it say here? It says
It's a gift.
chaparral. Chaparral.
It's a gift to the class of 2013.
Beep, beep.
Nothing says I love my college campus like a big old Roadrunner. Maybe a bench would have been more useful. So Magoo, have you seen a bigger bronze Roadrunner statue before?
Negatory.
Hey Magoo, I know where I'm going to put you into an adult day service.